In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the arc tool in Figma, a vital skill for any designer looking to create precise and elegant arcs within their designs. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring clarity and providing helpful context so that by the end of this video, you will be comfortable with this tool and ready to incorporate it into your own design projects. Let's begin by heading over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool we all know and love. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into your Figma account. Once you're in, you'll land on the home page. From here, navigate to the Design tab. This is where we'll start creating our arc. In the Design workspace, look for the Ellipse tool. This tool serves as the foundation for creating arcs in Figma. You'll typically find it in the Shape toolset on the left-hand side of your screen. Once you locate it, click to select it. With the ellipse tool selected, draw an ellipse on your canvas. You simply need to click and drag on the canvas to create an ellipse shape. It doesn't have to be perfect, as you can adjust the dimensions later. Once you have your ellipse, the magic of the arc tool comes into play. To transform this ellipse into a ring, you'll need to adjust its properties. Head over to the properties panel, where you'll see options for adjusting the fill, border and more. Here you'll find the arc settings. Go ahead and toggle the settings to turn your ellipse into a ring. You'll notice a change in your shape as it now takes on a hollowed appearance with adjustable edges, a classic ring. Once you have your ring, it's time to adjust the arc. This part is where you can get creative with your design, focusing on how much of the arc you want to display. Adjusting the arc is as simple as clicking and dragging on the small arc icon that appears on your shape. Dragging it will change the angle of the arc and give you the exact design you're aiming for. Keep adjusting until you achieve the desired arc angle. Remember to use these tools creatively, experimenting with different settings to see what best fits your design needs. It's also useful to keep in mind that you can fine-tune these settings later if needed, allowing you to iterate on your designs with ease. And there you have it, you've learned how to use the arc tool in Figma to create beautifully precise arcs. Practice using this tool and soon you'll find it an indispensable part of your design toolkit. Thanks for watching and happy designing.